me say that's the boss's chair? That's the lieutenant.
Ow!
Nice. And jump. Nice. Oh, perfect. All right, guys, have fun.
What do you guys got to say? Want to ask what this truck is used for?
Truck is bulletproof. The doors, the windows, the walls, everything. This is called the Bearcat. This is our SWAT truck, one of them. You see, I don't know, have you guys seen our other two trucks yet?
Yes.
Yeah, they're cool. We brought 3 trucks out today. But this is what we use to try and help keep everybody safe. Because when you're in here, we only keep the good people in here because we want to keep them safe, right? So when we're in here, the windows. Yeah, we can have somebody get up there. That way they can see what's going on. Because in here, you see, although there's lots of windows, you can't see like a lot of other places. So that way it'll help see what's going on to know what.
These ones are loud.
Yeah, those are loud. What are they for? Do you know? Where do they take them?
The swamp.
The swamp? What about the ocean? It's a big old, for garbage, right? That's called a grapple truck.
And I want to get into one of these.
Okay. All right, this is the Bobcat right here. You just climb in the front.
Oh,
You climb on the bucket and you climb in. It might be hot. Ready? Put your foot on the next level. There you go. But Grace, there's only one seat, sweetie.
Yeah, but if he didn't.
It goes left, right, forward, back, and then the buttons control the bucket.
Can I do it?
No, it's not turned on, so it won't do anything.
But can I hold on the button?
Yeah, you can hold on the buttons.
Have a turn now. Hey, wait. Imagine you're like, I'm being scooped up. I'm gonna scoop down. I'm being wired. Wait, I'm gonna call this.
No.
Guys, do you need? We both going down?
Uh-huh.
No, there's only one seat.
You can both go in there. One seeing.
Wait, I'll be on the back. I'll be watching the back. Is this the first truck we can do that has?
What are you driving, a backhoe, Grace?
Yeah. Wait, I got the back. Let this stand on the back. Like right there. Dad.
You know the seat spins around when they got to use the backhoe part.
Wait, spin around. Wait,
No.
Dad. Where's the thing to turn it off?
I don't know.
How do I switch? How do I turn the seat around? I can't turn the seat around. I'm like 25.
Come on, Grace.
How are you getting down there? You can have
All right, jump. Hurry up.
I get a hot one to the time.
Go, jump. That bucket's bigger than you, huh, dude?
Yeah. And imagine it's your lunch break. You just sit here. Then your lunch break's over and you forgot. Then like someone else comes into the truck. It sounds like turn it on. Like, poof. Then you're getting whisked up in the air. Vacuum truck.
That's a big old vacuum truck for cleaning out the sewers and stuff.
What happened to the vacuum truck? Daddy, this is hard.
You driving, buddy? Nope. See right up here. Pull that one time. Gotcha, huh? All right.
I don't doubt that. There you go.
What you got, Grace?
A skyscraper.
Street sweeper?
This is on.
Better not start it.
What is this?
It's where you could help turn it real quick, put the steering wheel.